got the cat sticker and shit, so they first want to call you in.
Oh, yeah.
Better off not. So.
The worst thing is your license plate.
Yeah, well, that's well it. Fast, you can just cruise right through it.
Oh, fuck yeah. That's the shit, man. And Livent's right up at $6 grand. Oh, fuck.
So it's a very, very fast car.
That was 150?
Yeah, you don't even feel it. You don't feel it at all.
I thought that was like 100, maybe 80.
Watch the speed though. That's
Fuck.
Like you'll climb up to speed at retarded.
That's real speed, man. I seen that. That's fucking. Oh man. Fuck. And it doesn't lose anything at 150. It's only getting better.
At 160 is where this car comes into play, and it just.
Oh man.
She'll throw you back in your seat. That's when the car really starts to shine.
Fuck.
Up to then, like up to 200, you'll rock it up to 200, but 300, you're there in about 30 seconds.
Oh fuck yeah, you'll rock it past 200.
Oh, 200 is, it's 200 is less than 10 seconds. No, sorry, 200 is about 10.5 seconds away.